Hi everyone, bonjour à tous. This is Katie from Sunbreeze for Craft Corner. Today for Craft Corner, I'm going to show you how to make different bubble wands with materials you can find at your local dollar store. Everything in this video has been purchased at a Dollarama. So let's get started. First of all, you're going to need some bubble mix or to make your own bubble solution. I've purchased mine today just because it was easier that way. I've dumped some in my paper plate here just so I can dip my different wands in it. You can also use, I'm sure, a bowl, a container, whatever you have at home. I had a paper plate. So we're going to start with one of our more common bubble wands you see online, which is with some lace and some straws. So I'm going to start off by where it tends to fold the straw. I'm going to cut here. Because I have a smaller dish, I'm going to make it smaller. You can leave it this length as well if you'd like to make a bigger bubble wand for the kids. But because of the size of my dish to dip, I am just going to cut them. So you just got to make sure they are the same length. So here we are, same length. And then what you're going to do is lace your string through the straw, like so. Oops. So there's one. And there's two. And now I'm going to cut just a little bit of the ends, just because when I tie them, I don't want them to be too long. So just like this, just a little bit. And then I'm going to tie my strings together. Like so. So here we go, it's tied. Then you make it into either a rectangle or a square. So what I'm going to do is you got to make sure that your straw and all your lace is dipped. Oh, but I think I might have made my lace a little too long. Yep. So that's okay, trial and error. So I'm gonna cut a little more off, make it a little smaller so it fits in my dish. So here we go. There, all tied. Now I have a square instead of a rectangle. As you can see, you're gonna dip and make sure it's all in there in your solution. Slowly dip, dip, dip. Oop. And, ooh, I got a bubble. I'm sure my hand was in the way. We'll try it again so you can see, hopefully. Are we ready? So make sure it's all dipped. Oh, almost. It'll probably take some practice and trial and error. Or maybe I just need better bubble solution. And it doesn't help I have wind that keeps pushing my bubble out before me. So, dip, dip, dip. Oh, almost had it. So there is one way to make a bubble wand. Another fun one is you bunch up a bunch of straws. I have a hair tie because I didn't have any rubber bands with me today. And what you're going to do is you dip your solution in here and then you blow. And that's how you make a bunch of bubbles. Ooh, ever neat. Our next one is a simple wand by just using a pipe cleaner. What you do is grab your pipe cleaner, make it into a circle, bend about here, just twist it. And you can make it into either a circle, or if you'd like, you can make different shapes. So here's my one with just that. There's my one wand. Another way to do it is I've grabbed some beads and I've already beaded a pipe cleaner. And then what I'm going to do is bend it here. You can either use the beads to be your bubble wand or use it as the base. I am just going to use it as my base. So I'm going to tie once again in a circle just like this. I got a couple of beads because I put too many, but that's okay. And then I'm going to make a cute little heart. So here's my one bubble wand with some beads as my handle, or you could have it inside, it's up to you. And then you go like this. Oh, I kind of got some bubble mix on my camera, but that's okay. Give it a little wipe. And then dip. wind in the background is not helping. So there is how you make bubble wands out of pipe cleaners. My next one is by using pieces of wire. I do recommend that adults help children with this piece because the wires can be pointy and hard to bend. So these are just some thin wires I found at the dollar store. Thicker would be better, but what I do is I tend to bend them and braid them together by just twisting. It tends to help just make it a stronger base. Here I've already have one made where I use my beads for my circle. I twisted it, as you can see, to braid it, and it makes a little handle at the bottom. And then you just dip this one and blow. Ooh, that one works good. So far, I think the bunch of straws and the wire with the beads is our best wands yet. I hope you enjoyed my video. If you decide to make bubble wands at home, let me know. I'd love to see your pictures, your videos, if you'd like to send me some. If not, comment below just to say hi. I hope you all have a great day. Thank you for watching. Bye everyone.